Introducing Coach B, your offline classroom companion, bringing lessons to life anytime, anywhere.
Today, I'll take you on a journey across time, from shifting sands to shining towers. We'll discover how the UAE rose from the desert, shaped by courage, hard work, and unity. Let's begin. Many years ago, in the heart of the desert, this is where their story begins. In the endless silence of the desert. Our ancestors lived as Bedouins, traveling through vast deserts in search of water and pasture. Their journey was harsh, but their hearts were strong. They built homes wherever they stopped, making life from the land. Flatbread baked on stones. Simple food shared with love. For every child, every moment held a lesson in survival. Stories were their school, rich with values, passed by voice, not books. The falcon, noble and fierce, a partner in survival. It guided their hunt, their spirit, their way of life. Even the storm could not break them. The desert made them stronger. Lessons were written not on paper, but in the earth beneath their feet. Their strength became our values, their path, our beginning. Beyond the desert, the sea was their lifeline, a place of risk, riches, and rhythm. Days at sea began with preparation, as each man played his part aboard the dhow. The sea demanded skill passed down from hand to hand through quiet guidance. With lungs full of air and a heart full of courage, he slipped into the deep. Each pearl was a victory won through silence, skill, and stillness. With every dive, the bond between sea and soul grew stronger. They sorted their treasures carefully, each gem telling its own story of the deep. The ports came alive with trade, bringing wealth to shore from the ocean's depths. Trade connected them to the world long before there were towers or oil. This small pearl held the dreams of generations, harvested by hand, honored by heart. From diving deep to trading far, the sea taught unity, endurance, and pride in heritage. Once the land was quiet, untouched, unchanged, waiting. Then came a new sound, foreign engines bringing strange machines. Together, they searched beneath the sand for something ancient and powerful. The rigs came tall, loud, and strong, ready to crack open the Earth's secrets. With metal, sweat, and skill, they drilled deeper and deeper. Until, one day, black gold rose from the sand like thunder from silence. What they found would change lives, not just with wealth, but with vision. Soon the desert glowed with light, with roads and with possibility. The past and the future walked together, reshaping the land they loved. The young stepped forward to learn, to lead, and to build. This little vial holds more than oil. It holds determination and destiny. From sand and silence, a dream rose powered by vision, rooted in values. It began with unity, a shared promise in the desert wind. From many voices rose one banner, the voice of a new nation. Together, they formed a union and laid the foundation for greatness. They built with their hands, hearts, and hope a nation of progress. Where once were footsteps, now roads unite every corner of the land. Education was no longer a dream. It became every child's right. Women rose with the nation as scholars, scientists, and leaders. Every home, every heart, lit by effort, powered by purpose. From humble tents rose towers of ambition and ports open to the world. They look to the stars because the sky is not a limit, but a launch pad. This is our story, not of one person, but of all people. We carry the roots, the leaves, and the light of our home. This is the UAE built by its people, driven by its dreams.